guys, welcome back to AC Biker, and today I am here with 2020's KTM 450 SXF. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. So let's get into the video. So guys, 2020 KTM 450 SXF is finally here and is starting at $9,999. So firstly, let's talk about the overview of this 2020 KTM 450 SFX model. The championship winning KTM 450 SXF is a proven formula that is the industry benchmarks. For 2020, this machine continues to deliver suspicious performance and easy handling. It features an extremely compact single overhead crankshaft cylinder head, and together with the efficient electronic fuel injection, it pushed out an unrevealed 63 HP is the most effective way possible. The KTM 450 SXF is simply the fastest motocross bike on the track. Coming to its transmission, the KTM 450 SFX is fitted with a 4-speed transmission which is designed to ensure maximum durability and reliability. The gear ratio are perfectly matched to the performance characteristics of the single cylinder engine, while a shorter secondary drive ratio provides more spontaneous performance out of the corner. KTM advanced no dirt technology is used for the gear shift level to prevent the mud and dirt from fouling the level joint, and thus guarantees reliable gear changing all the time. A gear position sensor fitted at standard to all the 4-stroke engine enable the engine management system to select the power curve that perfectly match the gear currently engaged. The KTM 450 SXF will be available on the US market with a 5-speed transmission, since US customers use the bikes on faster tracks and in the desert. Coming to cylinder head, the single overhead crankshaft cylinder head in the KTM 450 SXF is extremely compact and contributes to an optional centralization of masses, resulting in further improved handling. The overhead crankshaft activates 4 ultra lightweight lithium valves. The unique design makes the engine speed up to 11,500 RPM possible. The cylinder head guarantees controllable power delivery and gives the KTM 450 SXF unparalleled peak performance. Coming to its engine, KTM has taken the successfully KTM 450 SFX powerhouse and upgraded it for model year 2020, giving it even more compact dimension with a weight include to 27 kg, explosive power delivery over the entire RPM range. Now fitted with a compact cylinder head and the latest electronic fuel injection, the engine now has even better power delivery and delivers peak power of 62 bhp including e-starter. This bike has the lightest 450cc engine in the entire motocross segment. And coming to its technical details, in engine, transmission is 4-speed, starter electric starter, stroke is 63.4 mm, bore is 95 mm, clutch is wet, DDS multi-disc clutch, Bambro hydraulics, and displacement is 449.9 cubic centimeter, and design is 1-cylinder and 4-stroke engine. And coming to weight, without fuel 100 kg, tank capacity is 7 liter, front brake disc diameter is 260 mm, rear brake disc diameter is 220 mm, front brake is disc brake, rear brake is disc brake, and the frame engine is central double cradle type, and ground clearance is 370 mm, seat height is 950 mm. Coming to front suspension travel is 310 mm and rear suspension travel is 300 mm. So that's it for this bike. Hope this video is informative. So what's your view on this bike? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question regarding this, please comment. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon.